you use Google Chrome at school or even at home, this video is for you. I'm sharing some quick hacks to help speed up your productivity. If you're new here, I'm Rachel Vincent and I love sharing ways to help teachers simplify their classroom and their teaching. I'm so thankful that my school district uses Google for everything. It makes everything so much easier. I have used Google personally for as long as I can remember, and today I'm going to share some quick, simple hacks, tricks that I use in my classroom that make finding things using Google Chrome just so much easier, because we know every second in the classroom counts, not only for instruction, but when you're distracted trying to pull up a website, trying to do something, your kids are losing interest and causing chaos. Let's hop over to the computer and dive right in. So I have some websites up and I wish I could show you the ones I use at school because it is very beneficial at school. I also use similar things here at my home in order to make my productivity a little bit quicker. The number one thing I do is with bookmarks. So if you look here on my bookmarks tab, I have the icon, but I don't have a name beside it because it takes up less space. And honestly, I don't necessarily need it at home, but at school, I have so many bookmarks that I access regularly that I would like more across the top. So doing this little trick saves time. So for instance, if I want to make sure I save my epic, I'm going to click the star to add the bookmark. And so I'm going to put it on my bookmark bar. And right here where the name is, I'm just going to hit delete and then click done. And you can see here that just this little icon that is in the corner on a tab is what's saved and not any other words. So another thing I like to do is to create folders. And so obviously, again, these are my personal home ones. These are what I use for my YouTube channel, my TPT store, email, my blog and website and all that. But I also create folders for, like, I have what I call an AM folder. So it is the folder that I open first thing in the morning. It includes my morning slides. It includes our attendance Power School. It includes our lunch choice form that we fill out. It includes YouTube because I like to play music as they're coming in. And so in order to create that, I just right click and add a folder. And so I call it AM again, just to save space. But if you want to call it morning, whatever you want. And then all you have to do is you can drag what you already have into the folder, just like I did here. Or when you go to, let's say that you have your morning slides. If you have slideshow, you can save them. So again, you just click the star and it already has the AM folder, and I would probably call this morning slides and click done. And so now they're both in there. And so what I really like is if I do not have these open, when I first open my computer in the morning, all I have to do, I open it up and I right click on that folder and click open all. And so I actually have 4 or 5 in my one at school, but if you open them all, it will open all the tabs that you need for your morning routine. And so everything is pulled up. I don't have to go to each thing individually, and it's all ready there to go right there in my morning folder. Another thing that I love doing is, again, as a teacher, you have a bajillion tabs open. So there are a few tabs that I pin so I don't accidentally close them. So to pin a tab, you just right click on that tab and you click pin. And so it shrinks it down so that you have all the ones you need that you can't accidentally close. So when you're closing out tabs and you're just like, I don't need that, I don't need that, you don't accidentally close the ones you need. So one of the things I like to keep my email tabbed, pinned, my lesson plan tab, my Google Drive, so that it's easy to find. Even I don't have it bookmarked down here, I actually keep it tabbed up here. And so that way when I'm closing out things, I don't accidentally close these. Another thing that's really nice about it is when it's time to be done for the day, I close out everything. And when I close out my window and I open it back up, these ones that are pinned automatically open up for me. So when I close out for the day, it automatically opens up the same 3 tabs ready to go. So these are automatically opening in the morning when I first to log in, and then I click on a new tab. Actually, I don't even click on a new tab. I think I just right click and open up my morning and they pop open. Another thing I do inside of Google Drive, I will use numbers at the beginning of my folders. I do this at school as well, so that they're in the order that I access them the most. And then a lot of times, especially like in my lesson plan folder or files that I want to be at the top of my list, like I will put a little asterisk at the beginning so that it takes it to the top of my list of, because I don't necessarily like to look at them this way. I want to look at them, I'm more of a visual person, so I want to see them, the thumbnails. So I'll put an asterisk to make sure that those things get to the top. Want even more hacks? Check out the most popular video on my YouTube channel right here on my best organizational hacks.